Hello everyone. Question is Universal Containers UC uses a legacy employee portal for their employees to collaborate and push their ideas. UC decides to use Salesforce ideas for voting and beta tracking purposes. To avoid provisioning users on Salesforce, UC decides to push ideas posted on the employee portal to Salesforce through API. UC decides to use an API user using OAuth username or password flow for the connection. How can the connection to Salesforce be restricted only to the employee portal server? Option A, add the employee portal's IP addresses to the trusted IP range for the connected app. Option B, use a digital certificate signed by the employee portal server. Option C, add the employee portal's IP addresses to the login IP range on the user profile. Option D, use a dedicated profile for the user the employee's portal uses. Correct answer is option A. Question is Universal Containers UC has implemented SAML SSO to enable seamless access across multiple applications. UC has regional Salesforce orgs and wants its users to be able to access them from their main Salesforce org seamless. Which action should an architect recommend? Option A, configure the main Salesforce org as an authenticator provider. Option B, configure the main Salesforce org as the identity provider. Option C, configure the regional Salesforce orgs as identity providers. Option D, configure the main Salesforce org as a service provider. Correct answer is option B. Question is Universal Containers UC plans to use a SAML-based third-party IDP serving both of the Salesforce partner community and the corporate portal. UC partners will log in 65 to the corporate portal to access protected resources including links to Salesforce resources. What would be the recommended way to configure the IDP so that seamless access can be achieved in this scenario? Option A, set up the corporate portal as a connected app in Salesforce and use the wave server OAuth flow. Option B, configure SP-initiated SSO that passes the SAML token upon Salesforce resource access request. Option C, set up the corporate portal as a connected app in Salesforce and use the user agent OAuth flow. Option D, configure IDP initiated SSO that passes the SAML token upon Salesforce resource access request. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is Universal Containers UC has a customer community that uses Facebook for authentication. UC would like to ensure that changes in the Facebook profile are 65, reflected on the appropriate customer community user. How can this requirement be met? Option A, use SAML just-in-time provisioning between Facebook and Salesforce. Option B, use information in the signed request that is received from Facebook. Option C, develop a scheduled job that calls out to Facebook on a nightly basis. Option D, use the update user function method on the registration handler class. Correct answer is option D. Question is Universal Containers UC wants to implement SAML SSO for their internal of Salesforce users using a third-party IDP. After some evaluation, UC decides not to 65 set up my domain for their Salesforce org. How does that decision impact their SSO implementation? Option A, IDP initiated SSO will not work. Option B, neither SP nor IDP initiated SSO will work. Option C, either SP or IDP initiated SSO will work. Option D, SP initiated SSO will not work. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.